Hello everyone, my name is Angelo Zorrilla and today I am going to talk about four members of my family. First, my younger son is Benjamin. Benjamin playing soccer several times a week. Really enjoys sports. He also goes to school and spends time with our family. My older son is Joaquin. Joaquin studying hard at school, is focused on his education. He also likes technology. My father is Maelo. He is carpenter. Maelo working with wood for many years, has a lot of experience and works very hard. Finally, my mother is Vicenta. She is home maker. Um, Vicenta taking care of our home, cooks and helps our family every day. They are all very important in my life. Thank you is for listening.